Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this video, we are trying to wrap up the rear suspension. Everything is pretty much welded in. There's a little bit of grinding left to do, and then some sheet metal work. I already had a bunch of holes that I had to fill in across here where I got a little too aggressive with removing spot welds. So I welded all that up. I have to grind it down and hopefully not make more holes. I got to grind this stuff over here all flat along the frame rail and then weld that up. And then we have to build this cover piece to cover up where we cut out for the coilovers. So doing some wrap up here on the rear suspension. So that's what I'm working on. Let's get to it and just see how far we can get. All right, a little shorter video this week. Didn't get as much done as I was hoping to, but still made some pretty good progress. Got a bunch of welding done, and then I started working on this sheet metal piece here, and it is just taking a ton of time trying to figure out how to bend it. I don't have a brake or anything, so I got it bent up pretty good here. It still needs to be hammered out a little bit to clean it up some. And then I gotta mess with the floor pan on the front side of it to get it lined up so that I can get those two pieces welded together and get this all in. It's a little dark under here, but it does fill in nicely. So still coming along, still have quite a bit to do back here, but making great progress and really getting pretty close. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.